bring that over. So I'm going to try not to look at the answer. There we go. We'll just work it out and then figure out what we got here. Okay. See if so. There's exercise 11.6 on quiz access. Sudoku company issues 25,000 shares of $9 par value common stock in exchange for land and a building. The land is valued at 244, and the building at 363. Prepare the journal entry to record issuance of the stock in exchange for the land and building. All right. So they're testing your ability to do a journal entry, right? What accounts are used, what are the debits and credits on this, as well as how does a stock transaction kind of happen. So I'm going to go directly to the accounts. We got accounts, we got debits, and we got credits. Doesn't give me a date, so I won't worry about the date. So first of all, let's just look at land. That's valued at 244. So we know we've got an increase in land value, assets for land. And we also know we got a building in this exchange. And that's 363. So we sold, we exchanged it for common stock. And that's on the credit side. So we issued 25,000 shares at $9 a pop. So 25,000 shares times 9. Right now, I'm just going to put a little total number just so you can see what is being evaluated here and how we get to a balance, because we want to balance our debits and credits. Okay, so that's the known part of this bet, right? The 25,000 shares at 9 par value in exchange for land and buildings. The buildings are 340, the land is 244, the building is 363. So this difference, I'll just put a little just variance over here. So this difference, the 607 minus the 225, represents $382,000 that we have to come up with another credit at least. Now there may be other aspects to this transaction, but excuse me, they've simplified it. So what you end up having is what's called paid in capital. I'm just for common stock. Okay. The difference between the value of the assets received and the value of the stock exchanged at par, that difference is paid in capital above and beyond the par value. And so when you put the 382 in here, then you get both sides of the equation to balance, mainly debits and credits balancing. So we should see this transaction now represented in a similar way, right? 244 for the land, 363 for the building, the 225 for the common stock, and then the paid in capital in excess of par value for the 382. Does that help? Okay, so that's one question that, and I'll give you one more. So that was 11.6. Let's see if we can find one more that might help. I know some of these, let's see. Nine. No, 9 of 13. 9. Did I do 9? Which one did I do? 11.7. I did not do 9. Okay, we'll do 9. Oops, come over here. There we go. Okay, we'll do, actually, this is